home plate for today's pages 293, 294 only. You okay over there, Chloe? Good. All right. 293, 294 only. Okay. Yeah. Ready? All right. Here we go. So our objective for today: I can multiply polynomials. I can multiply polynomials. So let's think back to polynomials. I know we left off last week, and we covered definition about polynomials. And by now you should know the definition. So talk it over your neighbor. Let them know what is the definition for polynomials, please. Definition for polynomials. Yes. All right. So let's see if you shared this. Who said monomials or sum of difference of monomials? Yeah, we got it? All right. So also we left off in multiplication, and we did some of these. Look up. Yes? Copy that, please. Example Q. Some of you are like, I don't remember. Yes, we did some of these. So copy that really quick. Just copy it because I'm going to share something really quick before we continue. So it says multiply polynomial, or multiply the polynomial, but this one says vertically. And you're like, what? Yeah, I've only shared distributive property, yes. Area model, yes. Yes, Mr. Q. And today we're going to revisit a multiplication process that we've used since elementary school. And you're like, what? Yes, we've used it since we were in 2nd and 3rd grade, something like that. All right, so writing utensils down, look up to the screen. Here we go. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to have you do another one yourself just to make sure you got the process. Okay? Eyes on the screen. Ready? Here it goes. It says, multiply the polynomials vertically. Step 1, when multiplying or doing anything with polynomials, I said, arrange them in what? Standard form. What does that mean? From highest to lowest degree. Look at the first polynomial. It's already from highest to lowest. How about this one? No. I need to rewrite this. So the first one would be what? 2x squared, and then negative x, and lastly, negative 4. Right now you're just paying attention. I'll have you copy at the end. Next, I'm going to write the other polynomial underneath, x plus 2. That's what it means vertically. And now I'm just going to multiply. You're like, what? Now, pay attention to this part. Look up, please. Let me show you what you used to do in elementary. Look up to the screen. Here it goes. 234 times 12. Do we know how to multiply this? Yeah, we start with this one times that times that, move one decimal place over, and then 1 times that, and then we add it. Is that correct? Same process. Here it goes. 2 times negative 4. Negative 8. 2 times negative x. Negative 2x. 2 times 2x squared. 4x squared. I'm done with that one. Now I'm going to move to this one. What is x times negative 4? Negative 4x, but instead of writing it here, 1 decimal place over, negative 4x. X times negative x. Negative x squared. X times 2x squared is 2x cubed. And then I just add. Negative 8, negative 6x, positive 3x squared, and 2x cubed. Bam. Copy that, please. Yeah, we're not going to factor. We just multiplied, so we're not going to factor. Bless you. Yeah. Yeah. Well, what I just did, you can't. Yeah. Yeah. Copy that, and I'm going to send you one so you can do by yourself. There it is on your screen. As soon as you're done with copying that, lock the toolbar, work that one out. Example super Q says multiply the polynomials vertically. Y minus 5 times negative 2y minus 3y squared plus 3. Multiply those and send them in. I'll give you some time. Ready? Go. Copy and go. Everybody see it? Correct answer on your screen? All right. We good? All right. Somebody was going to come through your hour with this so far? Yeah. Yeah, we got this. Yes? Okay. All right. Look at that one. You don't need to copy that one. But notice this one, now we have a trinomial times a trinomial. But what is the first step again? Standard form. Write them vertically and multiply one at a time and then combine like terms. Same idea. Okay? All right, that brings us to this next part. Pay attention, please. Common patterns. Common patterns with multiplication of polynomials are the following. Look up, please. I'm going to give you the most common ones. These are 3 of the most common. The first one, x plus y squared. That is always x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. They're like, what? Yeah, we've been doing these on the warm-ups, but instead of a y, I give you a number here. It's x plus a number squared, and then you end up with something like this. Let me show you the next one. X minus y squared is the same as x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. And the third most common one is x plus y times x minus y, which is simplified, and it gives us x squared minus y squared. All these 3 are known as polynomial identities. Copy these, please. Polynomial identities, we need these for multiplication of numbers, but before we get there, we need to just look a little bit more deeper into these patterns or the identities. Now, the reason they're called identities, guys, is because the word identity means that both are identical to each other. You're like, they're not, Mr. Q, this one looks different than that. I know, that's why right now we're going to check, or in other words, like they mentioned mathematically, they're going to name it verify. Verify to see if they are identities. Okay? So I'm going to leave that one up there. And I'm going to go to the to Nearpod, and I'm going to forward your screen to example 1. Once you're done copying the identities, copy example 1, and it reads, verify the given polynomial identity. Verify the given polynomial identity. And they give us x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Once again, the previous ones that I just gave you are the most common identities. And we're going to check each one to see if it's true. Or in other words, we're going to verify. We're going to verify that they are true. So the only step required to verify, here it goes. Look up, guys. The only step is step 1, simplify. We need to simplify each side. What does that mean in terms of doing stuff? That means we need to multiply and combine like terms to simplify to lowest terms. So look at the right side first. Look up. Can we combine like terms there? Can we multiply anything? No. That means this side's already what? Simplified. How about this side? X plus y times what? X plus y. Can we multiply those? Yeah. What is x times x? X squared. X times y, xy. Y times x, xy. And y times y is y squared. All right. Let's see. Combine like terms. X squared. What is xy plus xy? 2xy. Bring down the y squared. So let's see. Does that give us the same thing as this? Yeah, they look identical. That's why they are what? An identity. So if they do match, we write identity. Copy that. So if they match, it's correct, and they are an identity. So what if we end up with something that's not identical to the other? Not an identity. So copy that. And I'll send you one more for you to do by yourself. Example 1Q should be in front of you. Bam. To do. Be nice. So do example 1Q. and lock the toolbar and send it in as soon as you have it. Copy that and go. Correct answer on your screen. Double check. Hands if you got that. Yeah, we got this, yes? So what does it mean to verify? That we need to simplify both sides and they need to be what? Identical. That's why they're called an identity. Does that make sense? Yes, Mr. Q. All right, good. So pretty much that they are like same, right? Kind of like Joshua and Ruiz, right? They're kind of like the same, yeah? All right, good. Be nice. So here goes the introduction to rewriting numbers. Look at number 12. Number 12, we're going to go with these numbers to see which number, or to see if they're close to which tenth of a number, each 10. So is this one closer to 20 or to 10? Very good, to 10. So that means this one we can rewrite by writing 10 plus 2. That means this one we can rewrite it by writing what? 10 plus 5. Now some of you are like, Mr. Q, isn't it closer to 20? Well, it depends. If we start with 1. But what if we rewrite it closer to 20? What would we write? Let's see. Tell your neighbor, please. 20 minus 5. All right. Well, with that same idea, how do we write this one? 20 minus 1. We'll copy these and then finish up the other, please. Oh, I know, right? Hurry up, please. Chance, let's go. Must be that Arizona mango flavor. Chance, go. What do we write? 20 plus 3. And the last one? 90 minus 3. Yeah. We got this, yeah? Pretty simple? All right. So now we're going to use both things, both ideas, the identity and rewriting of these in order for us to multiply numbers. We're using identities and rewriting of numbers. All right? So, copy that one. Example 2. All right. Let's see, help me out with this one. Lene, how do we rewrite this? 10 plus 4 squared, and that one looks like the first one, yes? So that means 10 squared plus 2 times x plus y, which is 10 and 4, and then plus 4 squared. So this is 100 plus 80 plus 16, so this is 196. And so we got that. Yeah, we got this, yes? Yes, what you do. All right, let's crank it up a notch. Don't copy this one. But how would you write this one? 20 minus 1 squared, okay? Those are easy. Crank it up a notch. Copy this. Example 2 super duper cube. All right, if you look at it, does it look something like the first one? No. The second? No. It looks a little bit like this one, but these are different numbers. If you notice, these are two different numbers, but this one, it says that both of them have x and both of them have y. So question, what number is 27 close to? 30. And this one? 30. So we need to use 30 for both. So how can we write 27 using 30? 30 minus 3. That is correct. How about 33? 30 plus 3. So now does this look like this? Yes. So what would we write on this side? 30 squared minus 3 squared. So this is 900 minus 9, that's 890. Let's go. Log out. Your home plate for tonight, once again, pages 293, 294. Yes? On this one? What is 30 minus 3? 27? Yeah? There is tutoring. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Give me those papers signed by tomorrow. Bye.